We're all set on the flashing. And one thing I like to do is 45 off all the corners so that when they come together we don't have any points sticking up. Now we're going to go along this and do some regular caulking here so that we can paint. And then down here we'll be Geico taping these seams. And then we're almost done scraping this roof. And then this will all be ready for Geico. You can see where Nicole is already putting the new Geico on. So that'll be the finished roof. We'll probably put another coat on later. But she's putting it on with a brush. And we have a trick. We put a plastic bag over the brush so we can reuse it. We just take the plastic bag off each time and just reuse it. It's you're kind of floating it on there. Pretty thick, but giving a real good layer. Great job, Nicole.